Hello everyone. Today we are going to teach division. This is for class 3 and 4. Many times the students are facing the difficulty to divide 3-digit number by the 1-digit number. This is the initial stage. Here we have a different method to divide these number by using the ones, tens and hundred this place value. Okay, so let me start how we can do that. First of all, you have to mark 546 in the places by using the dot. How we can do that? This is the 6 at the ones place. Then we have to mark 6 dots in the ones place. Okay, this is easy. Now for the tens place. 4 is there. Then we have to mark 4 dots here. Now move to the 100 place. This is the 5. So, yes, we have to mark 5 dots here. Up, what is the benefit to mark this dot? Now we have to make the groupings. Okay, how we can make the grouping? As we know that division is the grouping. We have to learn this division by grouping method. We have to divide the number by 3. So that means we have to make the groups of the dots according to 3. So if we have to start from the 100 side, the first group is this. Now as you seen, 2 dots are left over. For that, what we have to do? We have to take these dots to the tens place. Okay. And this dot also to the tens place. So we have to cross out this dot from here. Now when we have to move, we have to make single dot will make 10 dots. Why? Because this is the tens place. We have to move from one place to another. We have to take a group of 10. The second dot, again the group of 10. Now start grouping. Start grouping with 3. The first group is this. The second group can be this. Third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, and this one is 8. So let me count the number of group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many groups we have prepared here? Only 1. Okay. So now we have to move to the next, the ones place. Now make the grouping. Group 1, group 2. How many groups will be there? 2. So now we are getting my answer, that is 182. So the answer of this question is 182. So as you have seen, this is a very simple method to make you understand how we can divide by using the groupings. Thank you.